Hi guys, I'm here and today I'm going to video myself doing the horn. Here I go. Hold on for a second. I'm here. It's gonna be weird. We have business. Wait, hold on. Is this freaking thing backwards? No, it's not. This is looking that wrong. It's not backwards, guys. Not backwards. Bye, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.